Bum, 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 ba, bum, bum, ba, bum. It was not a very good idea. Hi everyone, welcome to MadPack, where we unpack your next product. And today I was really excited to do this video because it's related with Star Wars. Salt and pepper. So let's open this and see how it looks in real life. Not inside the box, because obviously you are not going to use inside this box. So Chun, 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 chun. So cover, we don't want that. 1 and 2. Let's see the quality of this. I can say that the quality is quite nice. I'm going to show you close up, so during the time that you are hearing me. On the bottom you can see the logo of Star Wars, and also saying that it was done in China. Looking for each other, they are exactly the same. You just change the color of them. I'm going to say that this one is my disappointment. I never opened, like you can see. I thought that I was buying the big versions, and I buy a small version. So let's open the package. I really don't know why someone would like to have a light of this size in the wall inside this product. Don't care about the package. You have obviously the sticker to put in the wall. It's not easy. Oh, it's almost out. And that's it. Like you can see, it's very, very, very small. So it's really disappointing to have buy and spend a bit of money. Something so small. It's not the ones that I want to really show. So let's jump in the next one. Okay? So now let's see the big guys that are behind this video. And the first one that I'm going to show was the first device that I buy to decorate my living room, and is basically BB-8. If you want to see, it cost me 19 pounds. Once again, we have the logo of Star Wars, lights up, LED bulbs, okay? You can see the light inside the box. On the sides, you have once again what is the model, okay? And you can see the Star Wars. And on the back, obviously saying what is inside the product. I don't want it to say inside the product, I wanted to say inside the box, and it's always the same thing. Opening this box, it's quite simple. We just have this top parts, and now we just have to remove the light, okay? And there it is. It's quite cool, no? On the back, basically, we just have the entrance of the batteries. What I don't like, so you have to put 3 batteries inside, and what I really don't like in this product is you have to always unscrew the port. The downside of this product, I'm going to say right now, is they have few stickers, so it's not just paint. So I can say that this one is not the coolest one. The next one that I'm going to show, it was quite cheap because it was a promotion after Christmas, and is the CP3O. To be honest, when I saw in store, I never thought that will look so cool in the wall, but it's quite cool. On the front, you can see that I paid just £9.99. It was quite cheap. If you think they started in £39, I have few other ones at my house, and there is one in the corner that I'll show you after in another video. Let's take it out. When I buy this one, I was not expecting to like so much in the walls, like I said before, but it looks quite cool. Okay, so when you put the sticker, it changed completely, because when you see in the box, you basically see just with this color, and you think, maybe it will not look so good. Last one, and this is my favorite. This one is Boba Fett, and I have to tell you guys, it's amazing. It looks amazing in the wall. All the details that this light have is delicious. Obviously, like the other package, is exactly the same. So you have the logo on the top. You can see lights up, Boba Fett, 3D light. On the sides, you can continue to see Star Wars, Boba Fett, the same in the other sides. Some information, okay, what is included. By the way, it don't include any batteries inside, but it will include once again the sticker, and it will include also obviously the screws, so you can put in your wall. So let's open this baby. Let's take out my little boy, because I really like this light. In opposite of all the others, I think you can see that this light is not shiny. Okay, so it's more a gloss finish and it looks much more realistic, and you can see much more details. I like that it seems that it takes a bullet on the head. Okay, and when you turn on, all this mask here gets red. Okay, it's quite difficult to show in this camera, but after I will show you guys later in the walls. And this light on top will illuminate, but you can change the angle of the light. Okay, so you can put on the top or you can put on the front. And yeah, now we are in the other side of the living room, and I wanted to show you how they look. Okay, so starting by the C3PO, you can see the lights coming from the eyes. Okay, so it looks quite cool. It's not so noticeable that it's plastic, maybe by the position where I put it, but it looks quite cool. The BB-8, you can see now with the lights turned on. Obviously with this light it's much easier to you to see how they look. And in the end, you have the Boba Fett. By the way, it's true. This is how it looks. The little Death Star. So if you want to compare the difference of size, I think it's noticeable, and why I was so disappointed with this product. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope that you enjoy. Let me know in the comments below which ones you prefer from all these lights, or maybe is it the salt and pepper that you like the most. So let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please smash the thumbs up, and if you don't subscribe to this channel, please consider subscribing and help this community to grow. So I hope to see you in the next one, and I see you really soon. The C3PO, quite difficult for me to say this one.